10 points about the cycle of life. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most extraordinary phenomena on our planet, the cycle of life. It encompasses everything from tiny seeds sprouting to magnificent trees reaching for the sky and the birth and growth of animals that roam the earth. This intricate web of existence is a perfect dance of birth, growth, and renewal, illustrating how interconnected all living beings truly are. Join us as we explore the fascinating aspects of this cycle, counting down from 10 to 1, and discover the hidden wonders of life that will leave you in awe. Buckle up for an enlightening journey that reveals the magic of life's continuous cycle. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Number 10. Seeds, the start of it all. Every great journey begins with a tiny seed, a powerful reminder of potential. Seeds hold the blueprint of life, each a promise of what's to come. From the mighty oak to the delicate flower, these capsules contain everything necessary for growth. But how does something so small hold such immense potential? When conditions are just right, adequate moisture, light, and soil nutrients, a seed germinates, sending roots into the earth and a shoot towards the sky. The excitement of watching a seed sprout mirrors the anticipation of new beginnings in our lives. As the seed pushes through the soil, it sets off a chain reaction, influencing the ecosystem around it. Imagine the countless lives that will depend on this single seed. The sprouting process is not just about growth, it's about the start of a story that will touch many lives. Number 9. Growth, the marvel of development. Once the seed has sprouted, the real adventure begins. The growth phase is an extraordinary journey where tiny shoots become towering trees or lush plants. The process is a dance of nutrients, sunlight, and water, all working together in harmony. But what secrets lie in the way plants grow? As they reach for the sun, leaves unfurl, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy through photosynthesis, a process crucial for life on Earth. During this phase, the plant interacts with its environment in fascinating ways. Roots anchor it firmly while seeking out water and nutrients, showcasing an intelligence that guides their development. Each plant's unique growth pattern tells a story of its struggle and triumph. By exploring this developmental phase, we uncover the profound interconnectedness of life. Number 8. Pollination, the secret matchmakers. As plants reach maturity, they become part of another vital process, pollination. This beautiful dance involves various pollinators, bees, butterflies, birds, and even the wind, each playing a crucial role in ensuring the continuation of plant species. But what happens when pollinators are missing from this intricate ballet? Without their help, many plants would struggle to reproduce, threatening the delicate balance of ecosystems. Pollination is not just about reproduction, it fuels biodiversity. Every time a pollinator visits a flower, they carry pollen from one bloom to another, facilitating fertilization. This collaboration results in the production of fruits and seeds, ensuring the cycle continues. Imagine the world devoid of colorful blooms and delicious fruits. Understanding pollination emphasizes the importance of protecting these vital species. Number 7. Birth, new life begins. The cycle of life is epitomized in the moment of birth. Whether it's a seedling breaking through the soil or an animal entering the world, this pivotal moment is filled with promise and excitement. But what challenges do newborns face as they embark on their journey? In the animal kingdom, birth can be both vulnerable and awe-inspiring. From the delicate hatchling emerging from its egg to the majestic calf taking its first steps, each birth marks the beginning of a new life, filled with potential. Every newborn face challenges, from finding food to learning how to navigate their environment. Survival often depends on the support of parents or the herd, emphasizing community in the natural world. Number 6. Nurturing, the role of caregivers. After birth, nurturing plays a critical role in the survival and development of young animals and plants. Parents, whether human or animal, provide care, protection, and guidance, ensuring that their offspring grow into healthy adults. But how does this nurturing impact the broader ecosystem? In many species, the teachings from parents are vital for survival, imparting knowledge about food sources and dangers. This stage highlights the emotional bonds that form within families and communities. In nature, these relationships are not just about survival. They create a support system that enriches the lives of all involved. Consider how nurturing influences the behavior and well-being of future generations as we witness the care given to young ones, we see reflections of our human experiences. Number 5. Adolescence, the journey of growth. As animals and plants mature, they enter adolescence, a phase marked by growth, exploration, and often a struggle for independence. During this time, young creatures learn to navigate their surroundings, honing their skills for survival. What challenges do they face as they transition to adulthood? Whether it's a young bird taking its first flight or a plant stretching its leaves, this phase is filled with trials that shape their future. In the wild, competition for resources intensifies during adolescence. Young animals must find their place in the hierarchy of their species, learning through trial and error. Witnessing these struggles reveals the raw reality of life, where every challenge faced prepares them for the next stage. The lessons learned during adolescence equip beings with the tools they need to thrive as adults. Number 4. Maturity, reaching full potential. When plants and animals reach maturity, they embody the culmination of their journeys. This phase is a time of abundance, where they can reproduce and contribute to the cycle of life. But what responsibilities come with this newfound maturity? For animals, it often means establishing territories, forming bonds, and raising the next generation. Mature beings are vital to their ecosystems. They provide food, shelter, and support to countless organisms. Every tree that stands tall and every animal that roams plays a role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. This stage serves as a reminder that life is not just about individual existence, but about being part of a greater whole. Number 3. Decline, the cycle continues. As with all things, life is not without its challenges, and decline is a natural part of the cycle. Aging beings face hurdles, whether due to environmental stressors, disease, or the passage of time. How do they adapt and continue to contribute despite their decline? In many species, older individuals pass down wisdom and knowledge, playing an essential role in their communities. In plants, this decline is often less visible, but no less significant. Trees may shed leaves, and plants might stop producing flowers, but they still provide habitats and resources. Even in decline, the cycle of life continues, emphasizing the importance of every phase. Each stage, including decline, plays a vital role in the narrative of life. Number 2. Death, a natural conclusion. Death is an inevitable part of the cycle of life, yet it is often surrounded by misconceptions and fear. Rather than being an end, it represents a transformation and a return to the earth. But how does death contribute to the renewal of life? When living beings die, they decompose and enrich the soil, providing essential nutrients for new plants to grow. In ecosystems, death is a crucial component of the food chain, supporting countless organisms. From scavengers that feast on remains to decomposers that break down organic matter, every aspect of death sustains life. Understanding this cycle helps to demystify death and showcases its importance in the grand tapestry of existence. Number 1. Renewal, the promise of new beginnings. At the pinnacle of the cycle of life is renewal, a powerful concept that symbolizes hope and new beginnings. After death, life continues in various forms, whether through seeds that germinate or animals that are born. How does this promise of renewal inspire us in our daily lives? Every season brings changes, and with it, the opportunity for fresh starts and new adventures. Renewal encourages us to embrace change and adapt to our surroundings, much like nature does. In our own lives, we can reflect on the cycles we experience, recognizing that each ending paves the way for new beginnings. Whether it's the arrival of spring after a long winter or personal transformations, the cycle of life reminds us that every phase is essential for growth. If you found this journey through the cycle of life enlightening, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating explorations.